Hello and welcome back to Latest Program. If you're here for the very first time, please subscribe and show some love, guys. And stay tuned for amazing stuff every time. Hope everyone is safe and doing great. So today's video is going to be very helpful for the new and growing YouTube creators. So please watch the full video. After this video, you are going to find amazing content that you can use to make your video to the next level. Here, I'm talking about one website which is offering free awesome content, that too free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. Everything here from video to music and templates free to access. So let's get started. So simply search mixkit.co on any browser. This is the landing page of our Mixkit website we can see here. We can find many free assets for our next project. By drilling down, we can see various assets that we can use in our next projects, such as videos, songs, and various templates are there for our use. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to download a video from Mixkit website. So just simply click on the video option here. Then this is the video landing page. Here we can search whatever video we want. So currently I'm searching for a nature video. So I will write nature here and search for the nature video. So here we can see there are various nature related videos available. If we try to hover over any video, we can see the preview of this video. So next what we are going to do is to download one video from here, and it will be an example video. So this way you can download your required video and apply it with your next project.